Let's make Pancit Puti. And very important to start off, we boil our pork and chicken to get a very nice chicken and pork stock. This is also called Pancit Mestiza because it has a very white color. Walang soy sauce, walang oyster sauce. It's just the stock of the chicken and the pork that we use to give it flavor. And with a little bit of patis, salt, and pepper. So let's start off by sautéing our aromatic garlic, onions, and celery. Sauté our pork, boiled pork, shredded chicken, our chorizo Bilbao, and dried shiitake mushrooms. Also adding flavor to this dish is our dried shrimp hibi. We'll season this with a little bit of salt, and we will add our carrots. Set it aside. I will also saute our chicharo. Season with salt. And set aside as well. Finally, our cabbage. We will also do the same. Just warm it up, don't overcook. Yan. Set aside as well. And all the goodness of our stock is added into our wok. Bring it to a boil before we add our noodles. We have to add a bit of patis. And even before we add our noodles, titikman na natin siya. So we know na it's perfectly flavored. And we are using dry bihon. Why are we using dry bihon? We want the noodles to absorb all the flavor. We don't want to soak it in water and saute it. We want to take advantage of all the goodness in the boiled soup stock. Add our noodles. Ang bihon kasi absorbs a lot of moisture. Kaya ito, kahit 1 pack lang siya, sobrang daming tubig. But later on, you will see it's just a perfect ratio. So I'm using around 12 cups of stock. Let it soak. Yan. Yan. And our noodles have already absorbed so much of our stock. And now we will add half of our sahog, our meat mixture with our vegetables. Leave some for topping. And our mix of kikiam and squid balls. And we leave some for topping as well. And some of our cabbage. And toss everything together. You would expect it to taste bland, but it's really very flavorful because of the stock. Yan, no? Piyestang piyesta ang ating Pancit Puti. To finish, let's drizzle a bit of sesame oil. Today, we are using white pepper. So, talagang puting-puti yung ating pancit. Yan. Let it continue to absorb all the stock. Kaya it's very important to make sure that your stock is really flavorful and properly seasoned. And we want everything, the noodles, to be cooked entirely in the stock and not in water. Let's taste before we plate up. Masarap! And we're ready to plate. It looks so ordinary now, but when we finish plating, it's going to look beautiful. Enough to feed an entire household and even more. Pancit is life. Here's our cabbage. Diba? Happy. Chicharo. Chicharon! Ay, ay, ay. Yan. Fried garlic. Diba? Pancit Puti overload. And we are not done. We still have our lechon kawali or our bagnet. to top it all up. Beautiful, no? Crispy, crispy. And it's all here on top. Our bagnet. Oh my God.
Gutom na, chef.
Nagutom na. Hard-boiled eggs. More, 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 more. Calamansi. Akala mo, your noodles are just so plain, so bland, and suddenly it becomes an amazing plate of festive noodles. Ah! It's done! Kung akala mo walang lasa ang Pancit Puti, you are wrong! It is so full of flavors, plus all our toppings give so much texture. It's something you will truly enjoy and fall in love with. Ito siya ating recipe for today. Pancit Puti Overload! Simple! Tara, kain tayo! Oh.